Hey everyone, welcome back to MrWonderHow. Today, I'll show you how to use the Polygon Fill Tool and Substance Painter to apply materials quickly and cleanly. If you want a fast, non-destructive way to fill parts of your model, this is for you. Let's jump in. If you've ever tried to paint manually, you know it can be slow and inaccurate. But with Polygon Fill, you can instantly apply materials to entire meshes, individual polygons, or UV islands with perfect precision. Let's see how. Here I already have wood base material layer. In Materials Library in the left side, choose new material you want to fill. Drag it to the model. Now right-click on New Layer and add Black Mask. Right-click on Black Mask, add Paint Layer. Select Polygon Fill Tool. We are ready to paint on part of the model. Click on the area you want to fill, and bam, the material is applied instantly. It's that easy. This method ensures clean edges and avoids texture bleeding. You can also adjust material properties like color, roughness, and metallic values after applying Polygon Fill. Just tweak the material layer in the Layers panel to fine-tune your look. And that's it. Polygon Fill makes texturing faster and easier in Substance Painter. Try it out and let me know if this helped. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tutorials. See you in the next one.